Hi, so I'll be giving a demo of PyP2P, which is a peer-to-peer file transfer software that I wrote in Python, and it was assignment done as part of the computer networks course at IIT Dharwad. So yeah, I'll go through the demo. So first of all, to run the demo, we require to unzip the demo files that are provided in the repository. So there will be two folders, 1 and 2. So if we check in folder 1, there'll be three different files available, and if we check in folder 2, there'll be no file available. So yeah, so we'll first start the manager, and we can see here that the manager has started. After this, we'll start the peer node with the verbose flag so we can see what is going on. And when you start it, it'll ask you for the shared folder, which will contain the files that can be shared. So for two of the nodes, we'll be setting the shared folder as 1, which contains the three different files. So this is the first node, and this is the second node, which has the shared folder as 1. And for the third node, we will be setting the shared folder just a minute. Yeah, so for the third node, we'll be setting the shared folder as 2. Now once we set the shared, so as you can observe, as the different nodes were being run, the manager had received the new peer connections and had also informed the other peers about the updated active peer list. And so these nodes also have the information about the later nodes that have been joined the network. So now we will try to get a file. So these two are running off of the shared folder 1, and they have these three files available with them, whereas this peer has no files in its folder, which is folder 2. So we shall try to transfer one of the files there. So running, so first of all, let's try a small file such as image.png. And as you can see, since we've run the verbose flag, the peer has transferred the file from both of the other available peers, and it has transferred various chunks from the different peers. So we can see that the chunks are not overlapping, so different chunks are received from different peers, and this is done parallelly. We can also see that regularly the manager will actually ping the peers to make sure that they are still alive, and if they are not alive, it will actually mention that the peer has disconnected. So we can see if we disconnect one of the peers, the manager understands that it has been disconnected, and just in case the peer drops off without telling that it has disconnected, which has happened in this case. So when we were shutting down, we informed the manager that it disconnected, but in case it shuts down without prior notice, it will just ping, and when we ping, the peer is supposed to basically return a pong to make sure that, which tells the manager that the peer is still alive. So let's see what happens when we try to transfer a bit larger file. So we'll try to transfer the video file, and one of the nodes, which was one of the peers that was transferring the file, dies in between. So now that the transfer is happening, we will kill one of the nodes to simulate it dropping out, and we can see the transfer still continues, and the transfer has completed here. So we can see that transfer is completed. Now just to verify that the video is just as it was before, we'll just see the video. So the original video was available in Nautilus 1, in the folder 1. So we'll just see the video. Sorry. I don't know what happened there. Yeah. So we'll change to directory 1. Okay, yeah, that's what happened. So using the manager server, we'll try to play the video from the folder 1. And so this is the video, the original video that was available in folder 1. And now we'll look at a transferred video. So originally we saw that the folder 2 was empty. So now we will see that the folder 2 is no longer empty and the video has been transferred there, and the entire video works fine, even though the one of the peers that was transferring died in between. So yeah, that concludes the demo for the Python peer-to-peer application. Thank you.